Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learning English Step by Step with Queen Sanaz. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me for another English lesson. On this channel, we learn English step by step in a simple, enjoyable, and practical way. Every new word brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Now, let's start today's vocabulary. 1. Matrimony. Marriage. The state of being married. Marriage. Wedlock. They celebrated their matrimony with family and friends. 2. Baggage. Suitcases and personal belongings. Luggage. Bags. She packed her baggage before leaving for the airport. 3. Squander. To waste something valuable. Waste. Misuse. Don't squander your time. Use it wisely. 4. Abroad. In or to another country. Overseas. Internationally. He wants to study abroad next year. 5. Fugitive. A person who is running away from the law. Runaway. Escapee. The police searched for the fugitive all night. 6. Calamity. A serious disaster. Disaster. Catastrophe. The storm became a great calamity for the village. 7. Pauper. A very poor person. Poor person. Beggar. The community collected food for the pauper. 8. Envy. To wish you had what another person has. Jealousy. Admire. Never envy other people's success. Create your own success. 9. Collapse. To fall down or fail suddenly. Fall. Crumble. The old bridge collapsed after years of damage. 10. Prosecute. To take legal action against someone. Charge. Accuse. The government decided to prosecute the criminal. 11. Bigamy. The crime of being married to two people at the same time. Illegal second marriage. Bigamy is illegal in many countries. Reading. A journey that changed everything. Michael had always dreamed of traveling abroad. After years of hard work, he finally packed his baggage and left his hometown to begin a new chapter of his life. During his trip, he visited many beautiful cities and learned about different cultures. One evening, He attended a wedding celebration and listened to people talking about love, family, and matrimony. It reminded him that true happiness comes from trust and respect, not from money alone. While traveling, Michael met an elderly man who had once been a successful businessman. The man shared an important lesson. He said, "I used to squander my money on expensive things that brought me no real joy. Today, I know that time, kindness, and good health are the greatest treasures." Those words stayed in Michael's mind. A few days later, the peaceful town faced a terrible calamity. Heavy rain caused flooding, roads were destroyed, and several buildings began to collapse. People immediately worked together to help one another. Among the people affected by the disaster was a poor pauper who had lost everything. Instead of ignoring him, the community gave him food, clothing, and a safe place to stay. Their kindness showed that compassion is stronger than misfortune. Later that week, the local police announced that a dangerous fugitive had been hiding near the town. After careful investigation, officers found him and decided to prosecute him according to the law. The citizens felt much safer after his arrest. During another conversation, Mike heard a discussion about bigamy. The guide explained that in many countries it is against the law because a person cannot legally be married to two people at the same time. As his journey continued, Michael realized something important. There was no reason to envy people who seemed richer or more successful. Every person has different challenges, dreams, and opportunities. Real success is measured by honesty, kindness, knowledge, and the positive impact we have on others. When Michael finally returned home, he unpacked his baggage with a grateful heart. His trip abroad had taught him lessons that no classroom could ever teach. He understood that wisdom grows through experience, generosity, and lifelong learning. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned useful new vocabulary that you can use in real conversations. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about improving a little every single day. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment telling me your favorite new word, and share this video with your friends. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribing to Learning English Step by Step with Queen Sanaz and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English lesson. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay positive, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.